Hello, I am Adalberto Cervantes Rodriguez. I am the creator of the ERP and business data based technology that is used only by SAP and Oracle. Those companies install my technology as well as partners. A lot of small Indian origin IT companies, mainly in Texas, and almost all the clients. Has I explained in previous videos, the database, the data, and the processes were done incorrectly in those ERPs because they don't use industrial engineering and they didn't use science and technology. Today, because of that, almost all the presidents, including Obama, all the CEOs in all the companies, they are considered by the worldwide people like satanic, diabolic, psychopaths, even homosexual because of the use of the reptilian implants that are included in the NK Ultra technology, and and of course these situations are related directly with a lot of accounting frauds worldwide. Today we are going to talk about group technology and the relationship with the economic sectors. When I was studying at the National Polytechnic Institute in Pisa, I had two key important professors. One of them was coming from the UCLA, and he was coming with a great thesis. So I copied the thesis as well as Dr. Eduardo Oliva Lopez thesis that is what related with group technology. In the first case with the professor of the UCLA, the macroeconomics and microeconomics sectors right now, and basically took this knowledge of my professor in the area business data based technology is replacing totally both technologies, because I can go to the item level. So if you see my technology can go into the detail, and right now it's not so difficult to have all the data that we need using my technology. Than before it was not so easy, so that's why macroeconomics and I think group technology in the part of industrial engineering was used to make those measures. At the same time, my technology can link, as I said before, the microeconomics with the macroeconomics. So this is really of huge importance, because as I told you before, when I was working with art shopping, I tried to make some kind of marketing analysis and to sell those products using television as QVC. So I contact directly SAP and try to find out how they were working about the economic sectors. They don't have any clue. So what we can tell you at this time is that these guys, they don't have no idea, as same as Oracle, because they're copying each other, or what is an economic sector. So the standardized software that they create, they cannot link adequately these differences. So this is the most highest risk of the standardized ERP software that they created wrong. They copy me totally wrong. So that's why the data and the processes are totally incorrect, because economic sectors has a lot of division, has a lot of subdivisions. And you can imagine, okay, in food, for example, we can have several divisions, like production of tomatoes, production of rice, etc. So there are a lot of differences, and the processes are totally different. And we adding right now apples with beans. You can imagine. I mean, we measure everything, and even we don't use activity-based costing. Then I will say then that's the only technique that we have right now, created by industrial engineers people and also with accountants, to add apples with apples and not apple with beans. But it is happening right now, and that's why Obama, other presidents, the CEOs are like psychopaths, okay, because they don't have the correct data. Besides that, the infiltrating of you Christian Illuminati at the highest position in these corporates and government to try to use this secret knowledge, this Babylonian secret knowledge, having harming in our governments, our corporates, and even families and individual people, because these guys, they want to continue using those techniques, and they want to protect it, and they have an army inside the corporate and government to protect it. And Hillary Clinton even has a server to make sure that everything is protected in this Illuminati farm. On the other hand, the use of group technology is really important to define, because industrial engineering use standardized processes, but at the end of the day we don't have analysis, for example, of lesbians, homosexuals, even reptilian entities or others than we can have, than we don't know exactly what's going on and what is the relationship economically with the accounting statements and also with the processes. And we need to have a relation, because we need the correct data at the end of the day at the macroeconomic level or microeconomic level that allow not to be handled so easily by these elites that are stealing our oil, our gold, silver, precious stones, even right now the water, okay? So the importance of linking both processes is really important, and I think that these two professors, Dr. Eduardo Oliva Lopez, and a professor coming from the UCLA, then I think that was one of the beginners scientist that started all this kind of technology. He was attacked with diabetes. He was diabetic, high diabetic. I think that type 2. So you can imagine he was losing his eyes. And we know 2 years ago that these guys of the elite using gun stalkers, they are killing all the scientists. Okay. And I think that my professor was attacked, but we didn't know. I mean, we're talking about 25 years, so yeah, when I created technology. So it was fantastic to have access to these tests because they were really updated of the technology at that time. What I tried to do is to relate both technologies. I mean, the accounting part, econometrics with the group of the use of industrial engineering. I consider myself as the father of industrial engineering, and having that to make the link, because the data, we need to have the correct data at the microeconomic level and macroeconomic level, even to measure the productivity. Okay, to have to have a standard in productivity, but we have to use the correct techniques. SAP and Oracle didn't copy me well, and we are right now adding and multiply, apple with beans, and it doesn't work. I mean, and what it's showing us is that this elite, they want to continue using this Babylonian secret knowledge. That is totally wrong. And at the same time, they breaking a lot of scientific rules. They don't use the scientific method. So we need to work in the direction to use the correct scientific knowledge. And if you want to go deeper, try to get into the econometrics and group technology. Then both of them can be replaced by my technology, the ERP and the business database technology, because as you know, I link in both of them to have the correct data and the correct processes and macroeconomics and in the microeconomics sectors. So this program is basically trying to explain this important situation about the use of group technology. Then it really works. As I said before, I work with Maquiladora and it works perfectly. But with my technology, it's going to be better because we can go right now item by item and see really if the productivity is increasing. Then before it was not possible, because it was so difficult for a supervisor or manager go to item by item. Right now it is possible, even individual employee by employee as well. So I think even then SAP and Oracle made everything wrong. I can tell you that we can fix it and use again this technology that we lost 20 years ago after 9/11, and use US science and technology in the way that we can improve really the processes. Because at this time, as I said before, we're receiving product and it seems that it cost less in Walmart, but as a matter of fact, it costs a lot of money for all the societies. So we're losing employment, we are more poor, and a lot of things that before it might not happen because we have the technology to find out the real situation and be fixed. Right now we don't have it. With this black box, then it's only using this secret knowledge. That's good to know the secret knowledge that had been used to destroy imperiums, has the Romans, has the Greeks, and others. But but right now the first time to find out those and get these guys in jail. But that's not the main point. I mean, the main point is that we need to continue using science and technology than we used to do more than 20 years ago, and use again industrial engineering that allow us to increase our productivity as before. We cannot use really an old pseudo technology, quotation marks, okay, because it's not better than what we used to have before. Okay, so it's incredible the situation, and definitely the first studies of econometrics, and the first study with my professor, Dr. Eduardo Olivat, and he studied at the Birmingham University, group technology, identified correctly with the use of as well MRP technology, okay, trying to relate all this industrial engineering, econometrics, and my technology is even considered accounting and all the social sciences, all the engineering sciences, chemistry, maths, and physics. Stop using this secret knowledge. I don't know what is going to be the decision of the national security in the United States, but it is really important to consider all these situations, and try not to delete parts of my videos, because I know that it's related with national security. Okay, as well, the economic sectors is really important to define the planning, the scenarios of a country. So if you don't have that, how possible a president can manage or can be a lead, even worldwide, if they don't have the correct information? So we need to change all this situation that is happening today. Thank you very much for listening me. God bless you.